Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of Euro AUD. Euro AUD has broken this resistance now. Now this pair has no resistance under this. Now this pair has resistance at 1.62255. Now this won't come down for any retest because there was some complexity prior in this chart. That was the reason because of this retest. This was a long retest that was done and there was no change in the trend was same, but let us see and break it down and understand its complexity and make it simple. Now this was the resistance, okay, this was broke here. When this resistance was broken, the pair has broken this resistance earlier, this. So after breaking this resistance that was broken here, it came downward all the way back to retests all the resistances. It is the same way that gold did, that after reaching 1786, it came downward to retest up all the levels that it has broken. It happens when there is a lot of resistance broken at that time. Then after breaking the last resistance, says the pairs come down to retest all the resistances, then go upward. Now this has completed all the formalities of going upward. Now this is directly looking at 1.62255. This pair is bullish, and let us see what happens after reaching this resistance and whether it is able to break it or it is going to be rejected from this level. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and like other my videos and share with others, and let me know what do you think of about this channel, how do you like my analysis or not. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.